The 16th of December 2019 was a historical day for the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Gothenburg, Sweden. Until that day, there was only one place called the Nasir Mosque where the Ahmadi Muslims could offer prayers. Nasir Mosque is the first mosque ever built in Sweden and is located in Högsbohöjd, Gothenburg. On 16th of December 2019, a new prayer center was inaugurated in Angered, which is located in the northern part of Gothenburg.
Alhamdulillah, this is a great day for the Jamaat in Gothenburg and especially of this area in Angered, which is located about 30 minutes drive away from our mosque in Högsbohöjd. Many of our members reside here in this area, and due to that, we have searched a long time for a suitable place where our members can come and pray together.
The inauguration started with the members gathering to be a part of this blessed event, after which azan was given for the very first time in the prayer center. National Amir Sab Sweden gave a short inaugural speech, and then the very first prayers, Maghrib and Isha, were offered in congregation.
Our very active member of Jamaat Gothenburg, from the beginning he thought that he will fix one room especially for mosque, and he promised us that I'm going to build a store here in this area, and I will sacrifice for Jamaat a big place. And this is not very far from the centrum area of Angered. So this is in our members' approach to come here daily 5 times.
We had once opportunity to pray during Ramadan, and then that place was gone due to some reasons, and I had promised with my God that if I will construct buildings, so I will certainly donate some place for the prayer center. And Alhamdulillah, I've been blessed with this opportunity, and this is fact that we have inaugurated Angered Namaz Center today.
Since the inauguration of a prayer center is worth celebrating, refreshments were served after namaz, as this was a joyful day.
We hope that all of our members here take full advantage of it and creates a greater closeness to Allah Ta'ala. And I hope and I pray that this is a step towards Allah Ta'ala, that He gives us opportunity to build a purpose-built mosque in the future, inshallah.
MTA International, Sweden Studios.